Good morning, namaskar, salam, sat sri akal. Welcome you to the Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We are starting Quest for Win quiz contest in social sciences, and today is the first contest. The teams are ready, so are judges and the quiz master. Before I introduce the teams to you, let me go through the rules quickly. The first round will be the buzzer round, the second round, the regulation round, and the third round will be rapid fire round. Regarding the buzzer round, the teams pressing the buzzer first will be given an opportunity to answer my question. Having pressed the buzzer, you will be given 15 seconds. Within 15 seconds, you will have to answer my question. In case a team is unable to answer within 15 seconds, you will lose 5 marks from your tally. So, you will have to be very careful before you press the buzzer. The team answering correct will add 10 marks to your tally. Regarding the regulation round, we do not have any negative marking. I will be going to each one of you turn by turn. For every correct answer, you will fetch your team 10 marks. It will be a pass round. In case first team is not able to answer correctly, I shall go to the next team. The next team answering my question will get 5 bonus marks, and of course then the original question remains with them. In case the second team is also unable to answer my question, I'll go to the third team. The third team, in case answers correctly, only 3 marks will be added to their tally. It will, however, not be passed to the fourth team. The simple reason being there will be only one choice left. That is the reason it cannot be passed to the fourth team. Regarding the rapid fire round, there will be 7 questions to be answered in 60 seconds. If you answer are all correct, 7 multiplied by 3, you fetch a huge tally of 21 marks to your team. In case you are unable to answer 1 or 2 questions, you may say pass. I'll proceed to the next question. Right? Okay. Rules explained, and we are ready for the quiz. But before we start the quiz, let me have a quick introduction of the teams. I'll be going to the Brainy Angels first. Piyush and Aryan, comprising of Brainy Angels team, Deepak and Samir, forming up OP Angels, Komal and Divya, forming up DK Angels, Sandeep and Arif will be fighting it out for the Bright Angels. Well, we are all set for the buzzer round. For the buzzer round, we will have 4 questions, and I am ready with the first one. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. And here I go with the first question. The question is, I will be reading an assertion and then a reason. And then of course, I will be giving you 4 choices. Right? Well, listen very carefully. Assertion: soil is the most important renewable natural resource. Reason: relief, parent rock, climate, etc. are important factors in the formation of soil. Your choices are both A and and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. Second is both A and R are true, and R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. 3. A is true but R is false. Number 4. A is false but R is true. Brainy angels.
Both A and B are correct and R is not a correct explanation.
Both A and R are true, and R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. This was option B. Full 10 marks for a change. Brainy angels this time are right on dot. I go for the second question. Ready teams, hands on buzzer. And the question is assertion. Planning is widely accepted strategy for judicious use of resources in India. Reason: there is an enormous diversity in the availability of resources. Options are: 1. A is false but R is true. 2. A is true but R is false. 3. Both A and R are true, and R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Number 4. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. Again.
Both A and R are correct, but and R is the correct explanation of.
But?
R is the correct explanation of.
Okay, you mean and. And R is the correct explanation of assertion. As soon as you go for but, it goes the other side, right? Okay. Right on dot, 10 marks. And today your beginning is really good. Question number 3. Question number 3. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. And your question is: define gross cropped area. Yes.
Next one area plus area area cropped more than once in a year.
Absolutely correct. 10 marks for you. And my last question. Ready teams? Question number 4. All those who haven't opened the tally, you have a chance. Your question is: name the soil well known for its capacity to hold moisture. Brainy angels. Black soil, right on dot, 10 marks. And we have completed the buzzer round with this. Let's have an eye on the scoreboard. Well, we are starting the regulation round. In this round, I'll be going to each one of the teams and As you know, this is a pass round. There is no negative marking. So I'll be starting with the brainy angels first. And the question for you is, Punjab and Haryana have high percentage of new sown area under farming because of A. Fertile soils, B. Perennial rivers and canals, C. Modern farming methods, D. All of the above. All of the above. After a bit of hesitation comes the answer, but the answer is correct and it fetches you 10 more marks. Question for you. Laterite soil is formed by the process of A. Transportation, B. Weathering, C. Leaching, D. Deposition. C. Leaching is absolutely correct. Fetches you 10 more marks and your tally goes to 20. Question for you. Which type of resource is solar energy? A. Adjustable resource, B. Soil resource, C. Biotic resource, D. Replenishable resource.
C.
C is
Biotic.
biotic. I'm afraid is not correct. Passes to you.
Option D.
Option
D.
D. What is that? Replenishable. Okay, it's correct. After a bit of hesitation, you get 5 bonus marks, and with these 5 marks, you open your account. Next question for you, and your question is, which one of the following can lead to soil erosion? A. Contour plowing, B. Terrace farming, C. Deforestation, D. Mixed cropping.
Option C. Deforestation.
Option C, deforestation. With confidence comes the answer, which is correct and fetches you 10 more marks. So with the first round, the scores are well, second of the regulation rounds. This time I'll be starting with the bright angels, and your question is, which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? A. Over irrigation, B. Overgrazing, C. Deforestation, D. Intensive cultivation.
Option D. Over irrigation.
Over irrigation is absolutely correct. Question for you. In which of the following states is alluvial soil found? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Goa, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Karnataka.
C. Uttar Pradesh.
Is absolutely correct. 10 marks for you. Question for you. Name the important crop found in black soil. A. Rice, B. Tea, C. Cotton, D. Ragi.
C. Cotton.
10 marks for your team. Question for you. Which of the following resource is non-recyclable? A. Coal, B. Iron ore, C. Copper. D. Gold.
Coal.
After a lot of discussion and hesitation comes the answer coal, which is correct. 10 marks for you. With this we have completed the second round of the regulation, and let's cast an eye on the scoreboard. Round number 3 of the regulation round. I'll be starting again with the Brainy Angels. Question for you is, how much is the plain share in the total land area? A. 43%, B. 50%, C. 20%, D. 30%.
43%.
43% is absolutely correct. 10 marks for you. Question for you. How much is the plateau share in the total land area? 28%, 27%, 24%, 29%.
27%.
Is absolutely correct. 10 marks for you. Question for you. Where was Rio de Janeiro summit held? A. Brazil. B. India. C. Canada. D. Spain.
A. Brazil.
A. Brazil is absolutely correct. 10 marks for your team. Question for you. How much is the desired area required for forest in the country? A. 33%, B. 34%, C. 35%, D. 36%.
A 33%.
A. 33%. Lot of confidence is correct. Fetches you 10 marks. And let's again have an eye on the scoreboard. Well, last of the regulation rounds, and I'll again be starting with the Bright Angels. Question for you is, black soil is deficient in A. calcium carbonate, B. magnesium, C. potash, D. phosphoric contents.
Potash.
Is not correct. Passes to you.
Phosphoric acid.
D. phosphoric contents is absolutely correct. And 5 bonus marks for you. Your original question is, which of the following is not a measure for soil conservation? A. strip cropping, B. terrace cultivation, C. shelter belts, D. overdrawing of groundwater. D. Overdrawing of groundwater is correct. 10 marks for you. Question for you. And your question, OP Angels, your question is, red soil is reddish in color due to A. high clay content, B. presence of conquered modules in the subsoil, C. diffusion of iron in igneous and metamorphic rocks, D. high moisture content.
Diffusion in iron and
Diffusion of iron in igneous and metamorphic rocks is correct. 10 marks for you. And question for you. The total degraded land in our country is A. 133 million hectares, B. 130 million square kilometer. C. 140 million hectares. D. 130 million hectares. 130 million hectares is your option. D, which is your hesitancy shows that it may not be correct, but the answer is correct. And you fetch your team 10 marks. Let's again go to the scoreboard. Well, we are starting the rapid fire round. In this round, I'll be asking you 7 questions and 3 marks for every correct answer. You will have to reply all my questions within 60 seconds. I won't be going beyond 60 seconds. Are you ready? Timekeeper ready? Well, your time starts now. Of the estimated 47,000 plant species, about 30,000 flowering species are indigenous to India. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right? Buxar Tiger Reserve in West Bengal is seriously threatened due to mining operations. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Is wrong. Between 1951 and 1980, according to the Forest Survey of India, 96,200 square kilometer of forest area were converted into agricultural land all over India. Is it straight or googly?
Googly.
Is correct. India Wild Protection Act was implemented in 1970 or 1972.
1972.
Is correct. Hornbill is a rare species. Is it true or false?
True.
Right. Name a chemical compound which is extracted from the bark, needles, twigs and roots of the Himalayan yew.
Pass.
Okay. Expand the abbreviation USFS. USFS.
Pass.
Okay, you have got only 2. I'll repeat again. Name the chemical compound which is extracted from the bark, needles, twigs and roots of the Himalayan yew. Time is passing.
Pass.
Time up. मैम कोई इशारा कीजिए. Your turn for the rapid fire round. Timekeeper ma'am ready? So are you? Okay, your time starts now. Species which are found in some particular areas, usually isolated by natural and geographical barriers, are called endemic species or pandemic.
Endemic species.
Right? Expand the abbreviation IUCN.
International Union for Conservation of Natural Resources.
Right? Which state has larger area under the permanent forest?
Madhya Pradesh.
Is correct. Name 2 states which have larger percentage of reserved forests of its forest area.
Pass.
Punjab and Haryana states have bulk of their forest area under protected forest. Is it true or false?
False.
Is not correct. Assam and Tripura states have bulk of their forest areas under unclassified forest. Straight or googly? Ready, ma'am? Ready? Well, your time starts now. Species which are not found after searches of known or likely areas where they may occur are vulnerable species or extinct species. Correct? Beej Bachao Andolan, Navdane are two groups of farmers, citizens which have shown that adequate levels of diversified crop production without use of synthetic chemicals are possible and economical viable. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Right? Expand the abbreviation JFM.
Pass.
Name the state which was first to pass the JFM resolution.
Pass.
चिपको मूवमेंट, बीज बचाओ आंदोलन, चिपको मूवमेंट, बीज बचाओ आंदोलन, नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन and Bhairodev, Dakav, Sonchuri are the four movements which were launched by local communities for the protection of forest and wildlife or human lives from COVID-19.
Wildlife and forest.
Forest and wildlife is correct. 3 marks for you. Well, your turn. 60 seconds. You are ready? Well, your time starts now. Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit was convened in 1991 or 1992?
1992.
Correct. Who made this statement? There is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Correct. Regular soil is also called
Black soil.
black soil. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Right. Arid soil is generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. True or false?
True.
Right. The use of land is determined by physical as well as human factors. Physical factors are population density, technological capability, culture, and human factors are topography, climate, and soil. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
No. Explain the abbreviation.
Time.
Abbreviation UNCED.
United Nations Conservation for Education.
Not correct. Eye on the scoreboard. With this, we have concluded the first contest today. Although there was slight difference and the positions are that DK Angels have scored 44, Bright Angels 47, OP Angels 59 and Brainy Angels are the winners today. But as you know, this was only the first round. A lot of journey is still left after 4 rounds. Because this contest is being played on the round robin basis, after 4 rounds, the team scoring the most will get an opportunity for the finals. So there is nothing to be dejected for others. Keep preparing, take care of your health, have a proper sleep, keep doing exercises, and of course the revision. Thank you for so good. Thank you for being excellent competitors.